Hello everyone, welcome back to Quest for Fresh. So today's recipe is aloe vera sambar. Definitely this sambar may sound a bit different, but I'll give you a bet that this sambar will taste as good as the normal sambar you make at home, because aloe vera will taste like normal ash god when it is completely cooked in the sambar. So no worry for the taste. And I found a new way to consume aloe vera in your daily lifestyle. So let's start the recipe. First we'll see the ingredients needed in making for aloe vera sambar. Here I've taken half a bowl of cooked tur dal, half a bowl of aloe vera pieces are cut, and I have posted a video on aloe vera buttermilk where I have showed how to clean the aloe vera. I'll be giving the link down below the description box, so you can go and check, and there you can find that how to clean the aloe vera. And then I have taken one whole big lemon sized tamarind which I have squeezed and taken out the extract from that, and curry leaves, 2 sprigs, 1 roughly chopped tomatoes, 2 dry red chilies, few cloves of garlic, sambar powder, 1 medium roughly chopped onions, oil for tadka, asafoetida, turmeric, a spoonful of mustard seeds, and salt. Now first in a pan I am adding 2 teaspoons of oil, where I will be adding few garlic pods which I have roughly chopped, and let the garlic turn slightly golden brown in color. Now add the chopped onions. Now when you see the onions are a little bit translucent, you can add the aloe vera cubes. And mix well all together. Now add half a teaspoon of salt as per your taste, and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Now cover the lid and let the aloe vera cook for 3 minutes. When our aloe vera is almost half cooked, I'm going to add our roughly diced tomatoes. And then add 3 tablespoons of sambar powder. This I have prepared at home itself. And try to use homemade sambar powder, as it will give good taste and aroma to your sambar. When you can see the sambar powder and all the masalas are coated in the aloe vera well. I'm going to add half a cup of tamarind pulp to it, and let the tamarind pulp cook well. Now add 1 cup of water and close the lid and let it simmer for 5 minutes. And you can see the boil has come, and it is almost 5 minutes is completed. You can open the lid and check that aloe vera and tomato is cooked. Now add the boiled tur dal. I have added almost half a cup of tur dal, which will be around 50 grams. After a boil, you can switch off the gas and keep the sambar aside. Now I'm going to prepare the tempering for the sambar. Where I have taken normal vegetable oil. In that I am adding mustard seeds, asafoetida powder, 2 dry red chilies, and few curry leaves. Now add the tempering over the sambar. You can even add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee after the tempering, or you can even temper the tempering in ghee. So here my healthy aloe vera sambar is completely ready. You can serve this with steaming hot rice or dosa, idli or vadas, anything that you like. This will go good with all those dishes. So if you like my recipe, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.